Trent Hess here with the BCF Group. So I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes today about cyber risk, which has quickly become one of the biggest threats to businesses, really both large and small. We've been working hard to educate our clients about this risk, especially over the last year or two, because not only do the statistics and the data show that this is becoming a greater and greater threat, but we've seen our own clients fall victim to cyber attacks. We know that this is definitely a real and legitimate issue. So to be more specific, today I want to focus on ransomware. So I was reviewing a recent report that came out, which I have right here. This is the Beasley 2020 Breach Briefing. Beasley is one of the major cyber insurance carriers in the world. And their report, they put out one each year, and it focuses on a specific cyber trend. And this year, meaning their 2019 report, without question, the most important topic in the cyber world was ransomware. If you aren't familiar with ransomware, this refers to a scenario where a hacker gains access to your computer system. Most often, this is through a phishing attack, meaning someone at your company, one of your employees, maybe yourself, gets an email that has a fake link or fake attachment on it. So, we know what that's like. We all get those emails daily almost. But somebody happens to click on the link or open the attachments, it gives the hackers access to your computer system, and that allows them to implement ransomware that locks up your entire computer system and demands a ransom for you to gain access. So they're quite literally holding all of your sensitive data and your business operations hostage in exchange for money. Listen to this statistic. According to the Beasley report, from 2018 to 2019, ransomware claims reported to Beasley went up 131%. So in 1 year, 131% more ransomware claims. And not only were there more attacks, but the ransom demands increased dramatically as well. So they found in 2019 that 7 or even 8-figure ransomware demands were not unusual. Just so you understand, demands over $1 million were basically unthinkable just a couple of years ago, and now they aren't even unusual. One reason that ransomware has really become, I'd say, a total game changer almost in the world of cyber risk is because it crosses industries and company sizes. So traditionally, when we thought of cyber risk, we thought more about organizations that maintained sensitive data. Your healthcare providers, accountants, attorneys, banks, insurance firms like us, or companies that processed a lot of credit card transactions, meaning retail operations. But with ransomware, any organization is a target and can be crippled, and actually smaller organizations are really prime targets for cyber criminals because they often don't have the same level of security in place that a large organization would. So just as an example of this, Beasley's claims data show that 43% of all reported cyber incidents for government entities were ransomware attacks. So think of your local municipality, towns, boroughs. They also say that 39% of all cyber attacks for manufacturing firms were ransomware, and 37% of construction incidents were ransomware attacks. So this is absolutely a legitimate risk, no matter your business size, your industry, or your location. That's the reality that we're dealing with here. So here's a very important question that you should consider. What do you do if you suffer a ransomware attack? So if you have a cyber insurance policy, you would open a claim, and the cyber insurance carrier is going to get involved pretty much instantly, and they're going to bring in the necessary professionals that they contract with or have on staff to handle the situation for you. So those professionals could involve computer forensic services, cyber-specific legal counsel, could even involve ransom negotiators if it comes to that. Without cyber insurance, if you have a ransomware attack, you're of course going to contact your IT people right away to see if they can restore from backup, which is the ideal scenario. But what if that doesn't work? Or what if it's simply going to take too long to restore from backup and you don't have that kind of time to wait with your business down? Or what if you suspect that as part of the attack, personally identifiable information may have been breached? Or what if you determine that you do in fact need to pay the ransom? Are you comfortable negotiating that with the hacker on your own? Honestly, it's a little bit overwhelming to think about handling a situation like this on your own. An important value that we find with the cyber insurance with our clients is simply peace of mind. You know that if you have some type of cyber incident, you have a team of professionals ready to help and assist you. So it doesn't mean that it's not going to be painful, because it absolutely still will be, but you do know that you're going to have someone in your corner to guide you through it and make it as painless as possible. So I hope that this was helpful for you. If you'd like to discuss ransomware or any other cyber risk or cyber insurance issue further, please reach out to me. I'd love to talk. Thanks for your time.